Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of React.js. So here we are going to learn about the toast messages that is very important in any of the React admin panel or where you want there is a submit message, submit the form, then you need to show the messages like whether the data is submitted successfully or not. So on that we are going to use the toaster notifications. So I am using that package, so I will let you know which package I'm going to use it. So you can see that default toaster message. So this is default toast. If you want success, this will be a success message. Error toaster. So you can also define which on behalf of it, whether it from the left side, right side, bottom. So you can see that warning toaster, it's coming from this side, right? Info toaster. Okay, and then we have a dark toaster. So if you want adding the toaster messages in your any of the React project, let's look at how it gonna be used. So it's very easy. So I will explain what exactly it is. So this is the code. We have to use these two libraries. Okay, so this is the basically React Toastify. Okay, and it has very much downloads of weekly. So I think that's the best one that we can use, right? Install this one. Okay, and after this, these two classes you need to import. After this you need to add it, but here you can see that there is a notify function where you have mentioned toast. Wow, it's easy. Okay, on button click, right? And this should be available whether you want to show above or top. You need to pass this container so that the notifications would come and this container, right? So see, when I click on the notify, on click notify function, what it gonna be message toast. Wow, it's easy. Same thing I have done. Okay, so we have different functions like but default toaster, you can see that default toaster, when you click on that we have a toast message, but we have mentioning the position, auto close and draggable, right? You can also check their like you can say documentation. They have the documentation. Okay, so let's see the documentation. They have the like top bottom, you can see that auto close property is 5000. So you can also add the auto auto close property, but here I am not adding, so you can add this. After this seconds it's gonna be added. See, but it's not in the curly braces. Okay, so if you're going to add this one, this should be like this. Okay, so just copy this. So currently you will see that we have our pop-ups, our notifications are not closing auto, right? So you need to pass this one. So you can see that when we are on the project, so it will auto close by some of the seconds. See, it will close. Then I have a successful message, then it automatically close. Then error toast messages and it automatically close after some time. Okay, so this you can bypass the position, you can pass auto close, draggable you can also pass. Okay, let's see the much more more properties. Then we have a hide progress bar. You want to hide that progress bar, right? And newest on the top, on close, on click, RTL is also there, pause on focus, draggable, pause over. So these are the properties of the toast container that you can use. And this is the toast container properties. These are the toast container, and this is the position, this is the toast messages, toast emitter that you can ask auto close property, hide progress bar, close on click, pause on over, draggable and progress, right? So this how you can use this one, and it's very easy, and you need to use this in your React project. Okay, so I think it's very easy, and you can see that you can but just you need to add this classes. Okay, after that you need to add this toast container. Whenever you have a form, just add this at the end of the container or above the container. Okay, at the end of the container is better, you can add it over here. And then what we have to do, and you have to do is any function you are going to call it, just use this one. Like suppose you are click on the submit button. On submit button, just pass it like this, toast dot error toast dot, you can handle the conditions accordingly, right? So that's it for now. And any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please do like, share, and comment. Have a nice day.